Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create new Cash App account on your device. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. So then to create a new Cash App account, first thing first, you'll need to download or install the application on your device. You can either download from your Play Store or App Store. So once you've installed the application, you'll need to click on the open button just next to it. After you click on the open button, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. In order to register for the Cash App account, you'll need to provide in your contact info. That includes entering either your phone number or email. So type in either one of these following options and click on the next button located right at the bottom. On the other page, you might also be asked to verify your contact info. And to verify your contact info, a verification code might be sent through an SMS or an email, which you'll need to enter it. After that, you'll be asked to link a debit card or a credit card to your Cash App account. If you want to do it so, then all you need to do is provide in your debit card or credit card number and click on the next button. Then the credit card will be added to your Cash App account. Likewise, if you don't want to continue this procedure, click on the skip button and you do not need to enter any of these information. Next page, you need to provide the personal info. That includes entering your first name and the last name. After that, you need to create a cash tag. So basically this means creating a username through which your friends and family can identify you. So create a cash tag that is available on Cash App and click on the next button. On the other page, you'll need to enter in your zip code, that is your country of your residence zip code. Then you'll be taken to the home page, which indicates you have successfully created your Cash App account. And now you can explore Cash App. That is how you can create a new Cash App account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.